everyone, Rose Clayborne here, the founder of B2B Virtual Assistants. So B2B Virtual Assistant is a staffing agency for virtual assistants that are based in the Philippines. But our main office is located here in Florida. I just want to put it out there because a lot of our customers, they expected American virtual assistants, but we specialize in Filipino virtual assistants. Okay, so I just want to put it out there to make sure it's clear for everyone before you book a discovery call. So today I'm going to talk about a lot of business owners and virtual assistant or utilizing virtual assistant is really helpful, especially to us. We have been using virtual assistants for over 10 years now with our software business, and pretty much they run our business till this day. Okay, so by using or by utilizing virtual assistant, we were able to travel, we were able to go to cruises, we were able to go to different countries with no problem because we know that we have virtual assistants are taking care of our business, duplicating what we're doing with our own business to help other business owners out there, especially if you are a small business or even medium business. I'm so thankful that we were able to help other business owners and promote that you can save, especially now in the recession. So we're in the middle of recession, right? So by utilizing virtual assistants overseas, it really helps you to grow and scale your business, right? So you can focus on what's important for you. You need 1 hour per day, 2 hours per day, or even 4 hours, or even full time. So we have a pool of virtual assistants that are waiting to work on your business. So you're saving a lot of money by hiring virtual assistants. If you're interested, just go to our website, b2bvirtualassistants.com, b2bvirtualassistants.com. B2B means business to business, virtualassistants.com. So here is the video for today. Thank you so much for listening and see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.